Hey y'all, so we are back with, this is actually the first cleaning video that I am filming in 2019. Not the first cleaning video that you are seeing, but it's the first cleaning video that I am filming, all right? It is January 1st, okay? Brand new year, brand new month, time to crush your new goals and all that good stuff. I am going to start with something that has been on my to-do list for a while, and that is cleaning out this refrigerator. I've done this video before, so if you guys haven't seen it, click that I right up there. It'll take you right to the video. But we are going to do another deep clean. I need to go grocery shopping later today, and I need to get this refrigerator cleaned out. It is nasty, y'all, like nasty. I've been meaning to do this probably around Thanksgiving time, and I just never got around to doing it because we hosted both holidays and it just got a little crazy. But right now is the time to get everything done. I am starting day one of 2019 off, starting to crush my goals and get shit off of my list. So don't judge me when I open this refrigerator, y'all. If you like cleaning videos, if you love our channel and you haven't already, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe. You want to be a part of our family in 2019 because we have some really great things coming up. I love you guys so much. We appreciate the love. We appreciate the support. Follow us on Instagram at Life of the Bradleys for behind the scenes. And let's jump into my fridge. Alright, so first thing we are going to start with is just removing everything from that refrigerator. You guys can see how dirty and nasty that refrigerator is, just all the stuff that's in there. There's old leftovers and I mean just all kinds of stuff, expired stuff, expired vegetables. It gets real nasty, y'all. So I'm going to do a deep clean today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like cleaning videos like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also let me know down below what you want to see me tackle next, because I have a few areas in my house that could use a really good deep clean, and I haven't done this in a while, so you guys will see. Whew, y'all will see, child. I'm gonna try not to talk too much and just let you enjoy the music.
Prison cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos, just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, remedy, remedy.
So now that everything has been taken out of the refrigerator, I'm just going to use this counter culture. I got it from Grove Collaborative. You guys know that's where I get most of my cleaning supplies. I will have it linked down below if you have not signed up yet. Such a great service. So go ahead and check out that link. But I just got this spray from Grove Collaborative and I love the smell of it. It's in geranium scent and I just love the smell of it. And it did a really great job inside of my refrigerator. So that's what I'm cleaning all of this out with.
I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's no remedy, remedy, yeah.
just look how nasty the bottom of our refrigerator was, y'all. This was so overdue, and it makes me so happy to have a clean refrigerator right now. Ugh. So something I decided to do in an effort to try to keep the refrigerator cleaner longer, I put some of that cabinet liner inside the drawers, and I find that it's really helping. I did this a couple weeks ago, and I just find that it's really helping keep the refrigerator cleaner longer. And then if something spills in there, I can just take the liner out and throw it away, and hopefully it doesn't get the bottom of the refrigerator too dirty, so there won't be too many stains to scrub the next go round. So after everything was put back in the refrigerator, I figured it was time to clean the outside as well. So I used that Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray, and I just used that on the outside of the refrigerator. But y'all know I love my stainless steel polish if you've been watching me, so I used that perfect stainless steel polish, which you guys will see in a second, just to polish it up. It makes my stainless steel so clean. You guys will see. You guys will see how shiny it gets. The Mrs. Meyer's really kind of helps disinfect it, but I cannot do my stainless steel without this cleaner. It is amazing. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. I believe I got it from Home Depot, but I know they sell it on Amazon as well. And really, you guys, this is it. After I finished cleaning the outside, I put everything back, and this is the finished product. My refrigerator just looks so much better, so much fresher, cleaner, organized. I threw out everything that didn't need to be there, and this is what I was left with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you. If so, again, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below with what you guys would like to see next. Love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.